My underneath stoplight needs to come off and be painted. It's getting a little rough around the edges, the back casing. So we're going to take this off, take it apart, paint that all up, get it back on. So I dismantled all the light. Somebody told me last summer that it wasn't working, but I think the might have been the ground because the bulb was good. Anyway, I just connected everything, I disassembled, and here's the back cover that I want to repaint. I've got it all sanded down. I'm going to spray a little paint on it. There's a nice coat of primer. I found a can of dark blue. I'm going to spray this thing. That's quite a color. Okay, I'm reassembling the stoplight. Got the thing all painted. Got the bulb socket all mounted back inside. I'm rewiring it. I had a bad ground, so I've fixed that. I think that was causing it to either not work all the time or possibly intermittent. I'm putting a whole new wiring connection on it with a quick disconnect so that I can pull that off the car if I need to work on it. So this time I had to cut the wires. So I'm going to assemble this thing and show you what it looks like when it lights up. And after that, we're going to go back to working on the floorboards in the trunk. And I've ordered a new set of shocks, springs. The old springs were 175 pound. I thought they were 180s, but they're 175s. The new ones coming in are going to be 150 pounds. If they turn out to be too soft and the car bottoms out, then I can always go back to these 175s. So, okay, the stop light is all reassembled, and I even cleaned up the label, Monarch Automotive Products. It's all tested, lights up good, ready to mount under the car. However, we're going to work on the floorboard first, so we won't mount this until the floorboard is completed. So, that's it for now. See you next time working on the trunk floor.